Welcome to Houselux Estate, the channel dedicated to providing expert investment advice. At Houselux, we believe in the power of strategic investing to transform your financial future. Our mission is simple: to share in-depth knowledge, insights, and strategies to help you navigate the dynamic world of private equity investments. Private equity is a powerful vehicle for growth, offering the potential for higher returns compared to traditional investment avenues. In the ever-changing financial landscape, private equity stands out as a unique opportunity for those who know how to leverage it. It's not just about investing, it's about investing smartly. With Houselux Estate as your guide, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to make informed investment decisions that can help secure your financial future. So if you're ready to take your investing game to the next level, you've come to the right place. Without further ado, let's dive into the top tips for investing in private equity for higher returns. To make the most of private equity investments, it's crucial to first understand what private equity is. Picture this. You're at an exclusive auction where instead of antiques or art, businesses are on the block. You've got your eye on a promising startup, or maybe an established company that just needs a little TLC. This, in essence, is private equity. Private equity firms pool together funds from various sources. Think wealthy individuals, pension funds, or insurance companies. They use these funds to buy and manage businesses, typically with a long-term view. The goal? To improve these businesses over time and eventually sell them at a profit. Unlike public companies, which are owned by countless shareholders and traded on public exchanges, private equity-owned businesses are not subject to the same level of scrutiny or regulatory oversight. This can lead to greater flexibility in decision-making and the ability to implement changes more swiftly. Now you may wonder, why is private equity an attractive investment option? Well, let's put it this way. Private equity has the potential to offer higher returns than other forms of investment. These returns, however, come with a caveat. They typically require a longer commitment and carry a higher degree of risk. But here's the kicker. The allure of private equity doesn't just lie in the potential for high returns. It's also about having a direct impact. As a private equity investor, you're not just a passive bystander. You're actively involved in shaping the direction of the businesses you invest in, which can be incredibly rewarding. You see, private equity is about more than just making money. It's about finding businesses with potential, nurturing them, and watching them grow. It's about taking risks, weathering storms, and ultimately reaping the rewards of your hard work and patience. Now that we have a grasp on what private equity is, it's time to explore our top tips. Our first tip is a classic but essential one. Diversify your portfolio. You see, the world of private equity is filled with a plethora of opportunities, each with its unique potential for returns. But with these opportunities also come risks. That's where diversification steps in. By spreading your investments across different sectors, industries, and even geographical locations, you are essentially diluting the risk associated with your investments. Think of it as not betting on a single horse, but several, each with their own strengths and potential to win. This strategy not only reduces the risk of significant losses, but also enhances the potential for higher returns. After all, if one sector underperforms, another might just be hitting its stride. So, diversify your investments. Broaden your horizon. The private equity landscape is vast and rich. Take advantage of it. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Our second tip is all about understanding your risk tolerance. You see, investing isn't just about spotting opportunities and making a quick buck. It's about knowing how much risk you're comfortable taking on. In the world of private equity, this could mean the difference between investing in a promising startup with a high-risk, high-reward scenario or a more established firm with steady but perhaps slower growth. Risk tolerance is a personal matter. It's shaped by your financial situation, your investment goals, and even your personality. Are you the adventurous type, ready to take on high-risk ventures, or are you more conservative, preferring a steady and predictable return on investment? Understanding your risk tolerance helps guide your investment decisions, ensuring you're not biting off more than you can chew. It keeps you from making hasty decisions that could lead to significant losses. Investing within your risk tolerance ensures you sleep well at night. Our third tip is to partner with experienced professionals. In the world of private equity, the terrain can be treacherous and filled with pitfalls for the inexperienced. That's why it's essential to have a seasoned professional, or even better, a team of them by your side. These experts can be your compass, guiding you through the complexities of the market, helping you make informed decisions, and significantly increasing your chances of a successful investment. So, why is it crucial to partner with experienced professionals? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, they have the knowledge. With years, often decades of experience under their belts, these professionals have seen it all. They know the ins and outs of the private equity market, and they can help you navigate through the maze of investment opportunities. Secondly, they have the networks. In the private equity world, who you know is just as important as what you know. Experienced professionals have spent years building relationships with key players in the industry. They can open doors for you that would otherwise remain closed. Thirdly, they have the tools. From sophisticated software to proprietary databases, experienced professionals have access to resources that can give you a competitive edge. They can help you analyze potential investments, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Lastly, they have the track record. When you partner with experienced professionals, you're not just buying their expertise, you're also buying their reputation. They have a proven track record of successful investments, and their past performance can give you confidence in your future success. However, remember that not all professionals are created equal. It's crucial to do your due diligence before choosing a partner. Look at their past performance, check their credentials, and ask for references. Also, make sure they align with your investment objectives and risk tolerance. In conclusion, partnering with experienced professionals can provide you with the knowledge, networks, tools, and track record necessary for success in the private equity market. It's not a guarantee of success, but it can significantly tilt the odds in your favor. An experienced partner can be the difference between a successful and a failed investment. Our fourth and final tip is to stay informed and patient. As an investor, the world of private equity is dynamic and ever-evolving. It's not just about having capital on hand and knowing where to invest it. It's about understanding the landscape, the market trends, and the subtleties that can make or break an investment. It's about being in the know. Staying informed gives you an edge. It allows you to spot opportunities that others might miss, to anticipate changes in the market, and to make intelligent decisions based on facts and analysis, not just gut feelings. The more you know about the market, the stronger your investment strategy will be. But how do you stay informed? It's about more than just reading the financial news. It involves actively seeking out information, attending industry events and webinars, networking with other investors, and continually learning about the latest trends and strategies in private equity. It's about being proactive, not reactive. On the other side of the coin is patience. In the world of private equity, returns are not immediate. Investments can take several years to mature and produce significant returns. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment that requires patience and a steady hand. Why is patience so important? Because it allows you to ride out the inevitable ups and downs of the market. It prevents you from making hasty decisions based on short-term trends. It keeps you focused on the long-term potential of your investments, rather than getting caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations. Patience also means understanding that not every investment will be a home run. Some will underperform, some will meet expectations, and some will exceed them. It's about having the patience to stick with your strategy, even when things don't go as planned. In conclusion, staying informed and patient are two key characteristics of successful private equity investors. They may not guarantee success, but they significantly increase your chances of achieving it. Patience and knowledge are your best allies in private equity investing. And that wraps up our top tips for investing in private equity for higher returns. In the journey we've taken together, we've explored the terrain of private equity, demystifying its complexities, and laying bare its potentials. We've discussed the importance of diversifying your portfolio, a strategy that stands as a buffer, cushioning you against the volatile nature of markets. We delved into understanding your risk tolerance, a crucial step in ensuring that your investment decisions align with your financial goals and comfort levels. We've also highlighted the value in partnering with experienced professionals, individuals who can guide you through the labyrinth of private equity investments. Lastly, we emphasized the need to stay informed and patient, as the world of private equity is not a sprint, but a marathon. These tips are designed to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the private equity landscape. Thank you for joining us on Houselux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more investment tips and strategies. Until next time, happy investing.